Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today.
We're going to start with Gap because it's taken it on the chin today. Last I checked, it was down 8%. And you know what? I'm going to check it again because I've been checking oil so much today. I've got to check some of these individual. Yeah, now down 10%. The stock is down 6.25% year to date. So that's, before these numbers here. Look, the turnaround at Gap remains pretty uneven. Fourth quarter sales and profit came in slightly below expectations. Two of its apparel chains underperformed. What were they? Old Navy and Athleta. Gap and Banana Republic, by the way, which they also own, actually beat estimates. And I saw this note from Neil Sunders over at Global Data. He said Athleta's brand lacks a distinct look and feel, and says it's being punished for its relative blandness.
Wow.
Ouch. Right?
Yes.
So yeah, Gap has its work cut out for it. And, this is a big week for the retailers. We just found out that January retail sales were, pretty benign. Mm-hmm. Folks are spending, but not big, right? And they're looking for value. All right, let's move on to Marvell Technology. That stock is soaring today after seeing an AI-fueled boom in data centers. So this is a chip maker that said year-over-year revenue growth will accelerate through fiscal 2027 and actually grow faster than anticipated.
Okay.
So what does Marvell do? It's got these chips that are used in servers and networking systems needed to fire up all those data centers because of AI. So it expects revenue in 2027 to grow more than 30%. That's pretty enviable, to nearly $11 billion. Remember, we heard from Broadcom, another big chip maker this week, saying the similar things, and that AI chip sales are going to top $100 billion next year. I want to check really quickly, shares of Marvell Technology, like I said, up, what do you have it at?
Up 10% here in the pre-market trading.
There you go. Yeah, mine just popped up.
Is that like comics?
It's so funny you say that.
No, this is not Marvel. This is Marvell. This is the technology company.
Oh, is that how we say it?
That's how I say it. I
think you just say it to differentiate it from Marvel Comics.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Nutex Health plunging here 22%. This is a health-focused application software firm. Revenue for the fourth quarter missed the average estimate. And here's really the deal. A $55 million charge for arbitration claims.
Oh, boy.
Not sure what those were around, but that dragged down fourth quarter profit. Nutex is a company, $735 million market cap. It was already down 36% year to date.
Okay.
So,
no bueno.
Do we have time for one more? You want to do one more?
Please.
Costco. Not like
we have to do Costco. Do you go to Costco a lot?
I used to.
Mateo lives there.
Yeah, Mateo
I know
lives
she does. Lisa loves it. Here, I don't need 3 years worth of toilet paper.
Exactly.
Like I really don't.
Yeah.
So
is there a Costco in New York?
There is a Costco.
Okay.
There is in Queens. It's wait, there is on the Upper East Side. There is a Costco.
Yes. But the issue is Lisa has 3 freezers in the garage.
That's
yes.
right. That's
how
right.
she could get away with it.
So I used to have a membership. I don't anymore. But basically, a lot of people do because membership fees totals $1.3 billion during the quarter. That beat expectations.
Yeah, they did better.
They did better.
Yeah.
People want to buy the bulk. They believe they're getting value.
That's recurring fee revenue businesses. You gotta love them.
And you know what? Online, you don't think online when you think Costco?
Yep.
Up 22% last quarter. So their online business is on fire.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.